pretty much a ball girl since the beginning. And I always loved to play with balls, meaning baseball, football, basketball, all balls possible. I was really bad at school, very good at sports, normal, as pretty much all of us. Then I was competing a lot in sports, of course, and then I just found the word circus. I was like, okay. I went to Switzerland
Okay.
because I was in a boarding school in Germany, and there is where I learned to juggle.
Okay.
And it was the moment that I was like, okay, this is my thing, because I learned in 5 minutes, something like that, with my teacher.
Wow.
Yeah, it was super easy for me.
Wow.
Like, oh, this makes sense. Ah, this is so much fun. Oh, now I don't have to do homework. Yes. Just, perfect. And then I went to Switzerland and I met a family. And then is when I was, what? Study circus? And my parents were there. And I was like, you see? Study circus. That's what I want to do. And I was 15. So, and since then, my parents were like, yeah, of course you will study circus, of course. But I was really like, yes, for me it was super clear. And since then, I've been just doing that. I did go to Europe to study. And my plan was to live for 3 months for a clown school in Ibiza. But then I applied in the circus school in Denmark, and I got in. And it was the best school ever.
Ah, there you studied circus.
Yes.
Cool.
And then I went to Germany, to Berlin, to study juggling for a year. And then I went to Switzerland to study physical theater at the Mitre School. And then I went back to Germany, and then I went back to Mexico after 4 years. And in Europe, I had experience like having like a place, kinda Cracovia. It's like a mixture. It's like a collage of experiences. But when I came back, I knew that I wanted to have a space where we could just hang out and just have fun, and having no rules of timing, no rules of what you can do, what you can't do, and having a place where we could perform and show what we were like discovering, and having a place for our friends to stay so they can come. And so that was like the whole experience, kind of like what you are living, but with many other people. So that's what I wanted, and that's what is happening. 10 years of Cracovia. And I've been living since then here. Normally I was like everywhere. I've been living here. Before I was traveling a lot, but now it just trapped me. And people say like, but are you not like tired of living in the city and just in one place and with all these people? And I'm like, no. No. I love the space. I love the people that come and go. It's very fresh and refreshing. It's a lot of work constantly, and there's no like it's not like, oh, it works. It's like a handstand. It's not like, oh yeah, I have it and that's it, and then I can forget. No, it's constant work all the time, and you unbalance, and then something happens, and it's like that all the time. 8 years. No matter what, just keeps on changing, and it's like just how to stay calm, be strong, stay flexible, and just let things happen. See?
Can you share with us how do you manage to sustain it financially, also the place and yourself?
I have no idea.
But it works.
It works.
Good.
I mean, for sure, it's been like a trip. Myself, I'm not really into money financially, clarity. For me, it's like, okay, money will come and money will be spent, and that's it. and for me that's enough. And the more deals that we can make to get things because we don't have the money, it works. It's not the easiest, but it works. And with lots of money, it works as well, but as well there is something strange. So it's like a coin, no? Like you get a lot of juggling. Everybody puts a lot of work, a lot of love, and then it just works because of that. Because the formula is just like lots of passion, lots of work, and then things as a result happens.